Yeah, potential. I mean, we're going to open up 1.5% lower. Always potential to fill that gap. It's got 2 gaps to the upside, though, on IWM specifically. So it's on the line.
It's already bounced so far, though. But,
yeah, dude. Ding, ding, ding. Whoever has that bell, it's a great bell. You guys, who is that?
That was me.
B-Trades. I'm going to need you to record that for me. I need that. I'm not even joking. I need that. That's a good one. I'll talk to you later. I'll DM you.
Let's ride off that finger slam, brother.
We got that good bell. All right, popping initially, London high. Let's see if we take it out.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning.
What a crazy overnight, by the way. And good morning.
I know. If we decide to kind of just sweep this London high and not really get displacement into the gap and look for gap fill, I'm gonna look short from this area. But if we're getting real movement over this London high, I'm probably gonna look to gap fill and then try and long that. Some sort of continuation on the up to that gap fill if I can get it. But let's see if they set anything up short initially off in the morning here. What are you looking at, Minxie? Are you looking short here? Or are you waiting for higher? Curious. You have that gap.
I am not, honestly, like right now, I'm just going to wait and see what happens. I was in
Same.
vacation all week last week, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. If we come back to 24,460-ish and hold, that would be a place for a long for me. I cannot long up here
No,
right now.
Either. Unless it's more of a continuation, I get clarity. We're going to the gap, which I don't have at all yet. So,
yeah.
I'm watching 256 on Apple that we just wicked above pre-market high on the Qs and then fell back below it. So if we could wick above it again, I do think that gap fills relatively easy at that point. How's everybody's weekend?
Good.
Great.
How about you?
Had a great time. Always nice to get away from the charts a little bit. Get out to the beach.
Nice.
I stay pretty huddled up in my room most of the time, just working throughout the day. But I force myself to get out and enjoy the island a little bit.
I took a NVIDIA call position, FYI, guys. Super high risk.
So not really seeing any signs of wanting to continue over this London high quite yet. I want clear displacement, like clear momentum that, okay, we're pushing to that opening, to that gap from Sunday. And then I can maybe try and catch like some continuation long, but until then, I got to look short from here. Still got London low. We haven't, no. I mean, yeah, we have London low. We haven't taken out, but that wasn't the first low. I'm looking at 24,344.75. Again, into 10 o'clock, we still have 20 minutes or so, but into 10 o'clock, I want to see that 4-hour gap open up and thus retest that. So at some point, I want to see those lows I just mentioned this morning.
Rivian should get it to 16s today. And it's already green over Friday's high. Good over 1577. Could fill that gap into 1607 with the big news that they have coming Thursday. And actually, the whole entire week, they have a big event too. So
I very much do not believe that we would open up this 4-hour gap and go test it. But the market loves to humble those thoughts sometimes. So I'm always open-minded, but I really don't see a world where we don't go test that. So get ready for that in the 10 o'clock.
Dude, it was crazy. I was trading last night. I had 2 trades. One of them I won. The other one I got stopped out 5 minutes prior to what it did what I wanted it to do. But dude, I was like, there's no way. I mean, oil was ripping.
Dude, oil flew.
It's down $20 from that.
I'm praying that Will was not short that over the weekend.
He was.
Because I think, oh no. No.
He actually texted me, but he sold. He definitely made a lot back because he sold calls on it at like
Good man.
116, 117 last night too.
Good man. Oh, he was probably up all night. Jeez. Oh, this might be so prime into 10 o'clock. Might be so good. I hope it is. We'll see. All those relative equal lows, you look at the bottom of this range, 24, 344, 75. Then you have like that low from 720 and that low from 848 this morning, all lined up kind of with each other. I want to see those get blown through. It's hovering around London High right now.
I'm just waiting. I'm gonna take a short soon.
Yeah, I'm open to it. Might be coming here soon.
Yeah, I grab some meta puts here. Smaller position.
Still waiting, not doing anything yet. Okay, I'm short. Let's see.
I might be getting short with you here soon, depending on this 4-minute closure here.
Okay, there's 16, there's 20 points. 21.
I'll look to target the range low that I just mentioned, 344.75. If I get a trigger here.
There we go. Come on. Flush this thing. Flush it. Keep it flushing. Oh, shoot. You guys accidentally closed my freaking position now.
Oh, no.
I had my finger on this freaking thing.
Been there.
Ugh.
Oh, I've done that too. Many times.
Been there, Minxie.
Yeah, I mean, I'm green, but I closed my position, so I'm now gonna re-enter. Okay, I'm back in.
I have a minute and a half till this candle closes.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Morning, Casey.
Morning,
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
little mama.
Oh, can I please get the trigger short into 940, please?
What's wrong with my thing?
You have a few names green. You have Coinbase up like 2% right now. WDC, Oxy, Unity. Rivian's up 1.5%.
There we go. Guys, make sure you're trimming. This stuff moves fast, especially NASDAQ if you're trading.
This volatility, too.
Looking for longs right here on this back test. Because if we lose this spot again, it's probably just going to continue to be ugly.
There we go. Come on.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get a bigger move here.
There we go. Come
Yeah, there we
on.
go.
Me too, Rizzo. My profits. My runners are in profits. God, I can't even talk. Let's go.
Nice.
That's a pretty short. Not gonna lie. Except I. I'd be too trigger happy. I think. Keep the guns away from me. So dumb. Okay, kill more now.
Minxie is drinking at 9:40 in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm with it.
Yeah, a few names with
Let's drill this
strength
market,
and
will we?
tech.
Come on, Meta. Let's go,
Come on,
baby.
John. I'm short,
Yeah,
but I need to go
drilling.
break even at this range low, 344.75, and I'm looking for 309.50 for a 1-to-1 here. I'm risking 24.85.25. The highs, basically.
Watching 592 area on Qs.
And I want to see if we can look long to that gap, or maybe we keep potentially drilling.
I'm going to take a guess and say we drop another 40 and hit the 200 SMA on. I'm going to queue there.
Yes, already dropping, taking out these levels.
Sure.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, this drill. There we go.
Should see 330.
Microsoft is drilling. Nvidia is. Nvidia's pulling back. Tesla's pulling back. Amazon, Meta, everything's pulling back. Apple's pushing up, which is not what we want to see if you are bullish. Come on.
I have to put my stop at break even because freaking ES has taken out these spots already. So basically, just sit back and pray this just keeps drilling and doesn't pop up. Stop me at break even.
Took her APP over previous day high.
She might get me break even here, but that's okay. That's okay.
Coin now ripping higher up 3%. New high day.
I wouldn't go break even if ES wasn't taking out the spots I'm targeting on NQ, essentially. Same lows, but she's doing it. It's unfortunate. Just keep it drill. Just drill, baby, drill. Drill, baby, drill. Come on. No. Don't do that. Oh, you eat me.
Keep flushing. Okay, I'm out of my position.
I closed it as well. Yes, it's just taking my desired target, and there was money on the table to take, so okay, but not what I wanted. I wanted us to go further there. It's not often I manual close like that, but when I do,
You're gonna learn today.
it's just stupid if I don't. Like it's a negative risk to reward, which I hate. It's fucking half RR, half of 1 RR. But the issue is, again, ES took my target. That's the correlated asset with NQ. I can't be sitting here trying to hold for target to stop a break even when ES has taken desired target. Great example of not letting your emotions make the decisions for you, because I would have got stopped the break even there and made no money, which still would have been okay, but stupid of me to not take that. If ES is doing that. If ES wasn't, and I'd be holding for desired target, but not worth it for me now. I'll look for something else.
Apple's holding pretty well. That's still kind of my main focus on the call side.
Like 48 points.
There it goes.
Well, what do we want to do, huh? We could tap into hourly fair value. I still want to see, I kind of think we're just like sitting here waiting for this 10 o'clock candle to open. And 10 o'clock, want to see its low get taken and tap in the 4 hour imbalance, and then got to be bullish from there unless we end up running through that. But we still got about 10 minutes until that candle opens, so probably best for me to stay out of anything until then. Wait for that to open up and have some conviction.
You know what I see right now? Nothing.
What do you see?
Nothing.
Nothing. He said no.
Me? Nothing. I'm waiting.
What should I make on that? Damn, I thought I got filled for more. Freaking slippage, bro.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that, dude? Kidding me? I thought I made over like $550. It was 470. Hey, it's still great, but like, god dang it.
But what the hell?
I don't like when that happens, man. That's why I like limit orders for myself. No more. Well, wait, market for the but ow. There she goes. Desired target getting hit. That's alright. I did what I was supposed to.
There's 592 Qs on long down here.
Alright. Wow. Te la go. Wait. Oh, they die.
I was heavy on meta. I took my 50%.
Nice. What is moving this morning? Circle, 9.5%.
Trailing.
Tesla's trailing.
Lows. Just a previous week low here.
2x leverage circle CRCG. Hooking. Was that 18%? No. Almost 20 now.
I just trimmed. I took that long with you, Casey. I just trimmed that pop. I think it said long. Someone said long.
It was
So I
Casey.
didn't call it that too. Oh, okay.
It was the Dizzle monster. It is.
V's trying to curl back up some, and Apple held on relatively well while Qs were kind of selling. So those are two I'm watching. Apple in particular.
I think crowd could be a good one. Crowd's getting a nice move back up.
Patience.
Amazon new lows.
Nope. MQ new lows. IWM dropping hard. All of them actually. Yeah. IWM, SPY, and Qs actually all are the same today.
Yeah, Carnival Cruise Line down 8.3%. Getting smacked. I think your airlines are also all getting smacked. A lot of those are down 6-7+%.
By the way, oil new highs of the day.
I'm expecting one more low after 10 o'clock here. And then do we try and drill through 258.50? It's my last line in the sand for kind of supposed to try and hold this on the 4 hour. Or else we get to London low.
Scalping Tesla down now.
I'll be right back.
Ooh, bouncy. Oh, big bouncy. 60 points right there.
It's another reaction right here on Qs in the same zone. Needs to get some follow through and get a push back up to like 593.35. I think once it starts to push and if it closes above that, that can be a decent move for just a little upside. And there's the level. That was quick.
Thing about between, I mean, it's massive volatility on April, guys. I've gone as low as 10% down and up as far as 40% with the 0 DTs. It's just, you know, one that the volatility, unfortunately, is pulling it all over the place. I do believe that 256 break could trigger some nice push here. It's a level I'm watching.
Google's setting bull flagging at the highs. Here, Nvidia's coming back, Gamma Jam.
Yes, it is.
It's only 70 cents from the highs, 80 cents from the highs. Tesla's getting shat on.
3 minutes. I want to see this drop to the lows.
Any news today? Like data?
No, sir. I'm
Okay.
speaking in the evening.
Oh, Mr. Trumpy.
Nothing tomorrow. CPI Wednesday. Thursday unemployment claims. Friday PCE, GDP, JOLTS job openings. It's a stacked Friday. I think this bounces.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
I do.
Let's go.
You took the
Apple. It's
long
about
right here.
55%.
This is a trim spot right here. You took the long on futures.
Oh, good morning, Sir Evan.
Yeah, good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Dick's at 31, Evan. At 30-70 now.
Wow, interesting. I will note that news.
35 means volatility is quite high. Come on, 4-hour candle.
Yeah, I am down to runners on Apple here, guys. About $1.45 to $2.20. It's kind of choppy melt up, though. We don't like that at all.
Circle's still holding that. Trying to keep it going. Rocket Labs up 1%. Almost 2 now. right. Gap is opened. Let's drop to the low and look long now. Coinbase trying to hold the green here. Not looking amazing. BA was up 4%. Now it is down 3%. Drop it. Come on. Did ES open up the same gap? It did, but really small. Way smaller. Interesting. Oh, we're stuck. Guess I don't want to do it. Oracle earnings tomorrow. I'm not gonna have nothing here until they drop this thing.
This is rough. I think.
All right, trim up some of these futures long here. Move a stop up to entry,
Okay.
secure green trade.
There they go. Ripper.
That is 100 points on MNQ for the long.
You're so handsome.
Love you.
I love you. I was looking at the 5 and 10 minute. I was like, damn, that shit looks good as shit.
We'll test that 4-hour gap right now. We will. At some point.
Google new high day.
Mark my words.
Nvidia's almost at highs. Good new highs. Yeah, we're gonna some rip this. We're gonna some rip this.
No stop long for me here. Basically back to the gap here. See what they take out intraday.
Down to runners on Apple, guys.
Nice. What a sniper.
Good morning. How are we doing today?
Great day. It's Monday.
One of the best days of the week.
I know. I agree.
Kratos has reclaimed $90. Love seeing that.
Hey.
There's certainly some green spots today. You just got to look around for them.
Oh, yeah. Circle's cooking.
Damn, son.
Makes you short that?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Oh, yeah.
That was fast.
APP new high a day.
My lord, I just killed it.
Dude, futures are insane for the kind of moves that you can catch, like
Oh,
I know.
very quickly.
Where is my... You guys know how I can make sure that oil doesn't go up? I'll just buy some option calls.
Works every time.
Save America.
Yep.
I'm gonna save America, guys.
You see, we'll
Wow,
do
we
it.
trimmed that apple perfect time.
And ZOM and I don't even know how to find my options broker anymore.
Forgot how to read the options chain altogether. Just drop to the 4-hour gap, MQ. Come on.
PM&R up 3.5% today.
Yeah, I heard Tom Lee was buying more Ethereum. Bitmine.
We should bring Tom Lee here, you guys.
On the trading show?
Mhm.
That would be awesome. I think we've had him on for some of the conversations. That'd be hilarious to get him on the trading show.
Let's rip him a new ass.
Yeah. I met him in person with Gav at Future Proof the last time I was there. They're at Future Proof
Right now, yeah.
Yeah. I think it was last year. Maybe the year before, I forget. But yeah, we saw Tom Lee. It was pretty cool. All right, so ES wants to drop first. NQ, come on, NQ. You know you want to. Yes. Gotta take out previous 4-hour lows. I'm looking for NQ to do the same here. Then we look long. TY looking a bit weaker. YM. Crude oil up 13.5% now. Open.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. This one dance around. Wow. Apparently we're at fear on the fear and greed index. It's hilarious. We're at extreme fear, sorry. Bro, what? How?
Yet the market's still at this level. Wild.
Oh my gosh. I don't think we should even take near extreme fear unless we're down over 10%.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That just shows you like the sentiment of the average, like.
Ticker BE Bloom Energy up almost 7%. It tapped into a really big spot this morning around 132. Just bring to the nice reversal.
Yeah, hitting previous 4-hour lows. I want to see NQ do that too, but they might get a little divergence here. That fear and greed index too just proves like, imagine we did fall off the face of the earth like 10-20%.
Yep.
Like people would
Short
be
spots
absolutely
today.
screwed.
Trimming some Tesla puts here.
Apple's showing still some resilience.
Come on, take it out.
NQ's at the 200 EMA.
I'm thinking I can get right at 380 on
Wait,
Tesla
SMA?
if it continues down, but it could bounce. Yeah. Oh no.
330 is that 200 SMA on NQ. We just tapped it and bounced for the second time today.
Tap, tap, tap.
Under that though, if we actually drop through that, Q says another $3 for the 200 SMA, as well as NDX translates to 100 points down from here.
Minx, was that you saying tap tap?
That was the Minxty.
Reminded me of Happy Gilmore. Give it a little tap.
Tap.
Drop it.
Let's see if we go under.
I'm pretty bullish here, honestly. Just want to see these lows swept on NQ. I can't really be bearish here until we run through 258. This spot here. See if they respect this imbalance or.
Spy's kind of hanging around. It's -1 ATR here. You know, I'm seeing further down, but you never know.
See, they're gonna hold these lows on NQ. Yes, did take them. So they could.
Yeah, see, this is what happens. This might be your bounce right here. I've got multiple lower wicks. I mean, it's, yeah. Probably run this back up to the EMAs.
No candle closure. No trigger.
I've had a good 45 minutes here, man. I might call it.
Yeah.
I'll still hang out. Hit my goal in 45 minutes. That's crazy. Well, more than my goal. So what did I miss? What I mean, I saw the way futures opened last night. It was like, I mean, did something change about the war? Is there something important?
No, I mean,
it just didn't. It didn't end like they were hoping.
So,
I don't know what's going on.
Basically, the main catalyst is Iran's entire reserves were destroyed. So this means they're going to be buying market oil and gas off of the markets. It wasn't their production that's destroyed, but all of their reserves. So they're sitting on no oil in Iran.
Don't we have more oil than they do? I mean, we don't choose to produce it, but
yeah, but I mean, it's a supply and demand thing.
Yeah.
And I mean, honestly, it's pretty much the Strait that is impacting everything.
It is, exactly.
The market doesn't really care that bombs are going off in Iran. The market cares that the Strait is conflicted.
Yeah. And even though Trump said they would, escort ships through, a lot of them are, those are civilian jobs, and they're not really wanting to, drive oil rigs through or ships through a war zone, so.
Yeah, I imagine if I was on a tanker, I would say, yeah, I'm not getting paid enough to do that.
Right? Like, hell no, I'm not, nope, I'm good. I'm going to put it in my vacation time real quick.
Although the escort would be pretty cool, but I mean, high risk.
Same spot again on Qs and MNQ for the support. We'll bounce back up here to retest EMAs. Just kind of chopping. AVGO, new high of day.
Holy.
has anybody flown lately? Was everything okay with like TSA, or were you going internationally?
No, it's fine.
Oh,
trades.
Yeah.
I flew above Iran 2 weeks ago.
You did what? You flew above it?
Yeah, I got a picture of my plane on flight radar right above Tehran.
That's crazy.
I think the bigger airports are having TSA issues with wait times.
Yeah.
I was thinking about visiting New Orleans soon, man. I heard they had 5-hour wait times. I was like, what?
Yeah. There's that.
5-hour wait times for TSA or for what?
Yeah, that's what I
TSA,
heard.
they even like to. So I have the pre-check, and they're basically like just giving you that blue card to go through with the pre-check, just because they're so like backed up, you can't even have a separate lane for it.
Google new highs. I think it just filled the gap in the overnight session.
Google put the market on your shoulders.
Oh, this chop is killing me. Some good trades early, and now I'm like,
It's crazy. We have not broken a high or a low yet. That shit crazy.
Yeah, if SPY could get some closes above 665, I mean, I see the bottom wicks trying to form down there underneath, but I don't know, it might get some traction.
I can take a long again right here and trim.
Damn, here it comes. That was quick.
It's almost 100 points round two. It's like 86 points right here.
It's going to come all the way up and fill that gap from Friday. Them sneaky sons of bitches.
And there it is, another 100 points. Same
Potentially,
thing.
that's where I think the market, like, that's the real draw. I think that's been the draw. But do we need to, like, drop further to get there? That's the question. But yeah, I just think overall we're going to be definitely filling that gap sometime this week. Not today.
Yeah, I don't know when it happens, but I mean, you saw overnight SPY hit upper 650s, and that's kind of the area I have my eye on. But
AMD and NVIDIA at highs.
Q's is a lot closer to its gap than SPY is.
Circle at 9% now. See if they can keep it moving.
BE new high of day. Watch for this area up here. You're 148, 150, but now up 8.5% on the day. Nice move up. SNDK new highs. You had some calls for Friday coming in all morning. This one's been strong right out of the gate. I think AMD just made a new high today. I'm watching Caterpillar, ticker CAT. Potential call swing. Qs hit equilibrium again. Same thing from 10 a.m. and 10:05. And we're just doing the exact same thing over and over again.
Yeah, we're just fucking stuck.
Hey, so let me ask y'all a question. When y'all are traveling and stuff, flying, whatever, do y'all take your external monitors with you, or
No,
is there something better to do for that?
I just run laptop. That's it.
I bring monitors and my laptop.
Now, how do you travel with them? Do you keep the original packaging and just check them or carry them on?
I have like travel monitors. I don't bring my desktop monitors. I bought like a bunch of monitors that you can just hook up to your laptop.
Were they like foldable or something?
Yeah, Amazon's got some that are like 60 bucks.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna check those out.
I never use them though, but I take them.
Right.
Okay.
It's nice. It folds up just like an iPad with a case, and it hooks right in. You could even take that and use your phone with it. Even they're pretty nice. They're convenient.
I like them too.
I just raw dog it with the MacBook. It's great. Everybody's always so baffled that I use one screen.
I don't know how you do it. I also don't know how people trade without order full footprint. I tried that last week, just kind of following during this volatility. And I was waiting for my payouts and I blew my accounts.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
12 grand in multiple accounts just went down the drain. Yeah. So 6 figures, pretty much.
That is the worst.
Mm-hmm. but it happens.
What are we doing, Mr. Pocket? Smack dab middle of the rain.
Yep.
Look, man. It's turning boring and sour.
Yeah, you know, the best quitter wins, and
I got a little piece of it, but I wanted more. And
well, you'll always want more, brother.
I know.
Yeah. Well,
We really just staying in this range, damn.
yeah.
I'll take what I can get then.
I'm all flat except for my belly, so I'm gonna go get some exercise. And hey, love you guys. I'll holler at you tomorrow.
Love you too, brother. Have a great
Catch you later.
See you tomorrow.
Later, B trades.
Oil's up 11.2. Everything else is down. If you need some red light therapy, just go to your heat map. Pretty boring Monday. No data. Dry earnings right now. That's how it be. Still gonna watch to see if we end up tapping into this 4-hour gap sometime today, but doesn't look like I'll be trading it. Where's the big side now? Still in the 30s. Yes, it is 30.36. About just as much in a range as the market is.
bit more on the futures long here.
Oh, are they gonna move it out of this range? Let's go. Come on. Look above and fail, come right back into the range.
Probably.
Oh. No, go fill the gap. Do it for the people. Go fill gap instead.
Ticker MU looks good as well. Reclaiming the daily 50, hit a nice area of support. $130 points right here on MNQ.
Let's go.
See if we can pop up a little bit more closer to 24,500, break above that, and then take it from there.
All right. Let's see if they look above and fail or get some momentum trying to fill this gap. Yeah, it's not quite as close to the intraday high.
All right, there you go. There's 150 points over 24,505. Move a stop up, runners only. If it comes back down, just do the same shit again for the third time.
Motherfucker.
Back into the gap.
VIX is under 30.
No intraday high yet.
Holy schmoly.
Oh, Kanye, hilarious. It's like this post that says Kanye West on wishing Kim the best. Quoting Kanye, I can't wish her the best because she would end up with me. Oh gosh. Mindset. Minutes till 11 o'clock.
Ooh.
AVGO, new high day. Thought to hit that 340 target.
NQ new highs. Just ripped.
QQQ, new high of day. SPY, IWM, not quite there. Up 196 points right here on MNQ. I'm still in my same SPY calls from earlier, and I haven't even touched them because they've barely moved this entire time. MNQ 200-point gain. I'm out.
Nice.
I have no futures position here. Just holding on to SPY.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Took my first trim on spot calls here, new high a day. Let's go, baby. Fill that gap now, huh? Looks like it.
Where's the gap anyway?
What a fucking long.
Gap is at 660.75. Looks like they wanna do it.
665, you
660.75.
Okay.
See. 15-minute gap and 12 minutes opening up below us. And if it opens, we could drop and then long from there to gap fill.
Oh, fuck. Missed another put spread at the open here. It's 2 days in a row I did that. What the hell am I doing?
All right. There's some 5-minute gaps open below us. Oh, Evan saw Tom Lee at Future Proof again. Chatted for a bit.
Damn, man. What the fuck? How did I do that? How the hell did I not do that?
ABCO did hit that 340 target here. Apple also new high of day.
Fook me, man. Fook me. Fook me. Fook me. Fook me. Fook me.
Yeah, pretty boring Monday. But at least we get going, moving to this gap.
Okay, there we go. I'm looking for a spread now. I gotta get one. Otherwise I'm gonna freak out. Not releasing oil reserves just yet. It's about timing. More analysis is needed at the G7 finance minister's call. That might have been why we just dropped there a little bit. I mean, oil just got a $1+ spike there. Trump says they're nowhere near sending troops into Iran.
I don't think that makes sense, honestly. At least at this moment.
You mean sending them?
Yeah, like logistically, it doesn't. Until a lot more assets are removed, it doesn't make sense to have infantry out there.
Mm-hmm. Not happy that the son replaced his father.
Trump is making comments right now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Watch out.
He's not happy. Not happy, he said.
Yo, Jordan, can we do the 1s and 2s?
Start it up.
I believe one is green, right? I mean, I don't want to say it incorrectly. 1 is green, right?
2 is red, 0 is break even or nutrients.
All right, yeah, guys. You heard the man. So if you guys are break even or you have not traded, put a 0 in the chats. If you guys are green on the day, put a 1 in the chat. If you guys are red on the day, put a 2 in the chat. I want to see how many 1s and 2s we got today. I'm hoping we can see a lot more 1s. I'm personally a 0 today.
Anthropic sues the U.S. government after being designated a supply chain risk for refusing to remove their guardrails.
I see a whole lot of 1s. I suspect Jen's a 1 as well.
Oh, she's jamming.
I am.
I wish I was green a little bit more, but it's cool. 15-minute gap opened up. Can we tap into it? That's what I look for here, and then respect that and move higher into the gap fill.
Caterpillar new high day, 685. Ripping.
Ton of 1s in the chat. Some 0s, some 2s. Mostly 1 though. Let's go, crew. Good stuff. Not like super easy day, I would say.
Casey's like, ha, fuck me.
No, this price action is garbage. This is shit.
But you killed it.
The only thing I've done is buy the dip on SPY Qqs, and then I'm just looking at these individual names.
Yeah.
We talked about it last night. Me, we'll cover it on Sunday night live stream. Is kind of what I'm expecting. I think you're going to have a mixed bag with tech. You're going to have a few names that want to move, a few that don't. I think you're probably going to see a little bit of short covering, and people looking to buy the dip after this overextension on SPY Qqs, so a small move back to the upside. But I think your individual names, you can make some money off it. You're actually going to get better price action over there. like SNDK, really good move this morning. WDC, now up 3%. Caterpillar looks good. I think MU looks good as well. That actually just made a new high today as well. SPY, did I just get filled on a trim? I just got filled on SPY for a trim. My stop is now at entry. I am out half my position. 264 filled.
All right, guys, I got a random hypothetical for you. It seems like we're a little bit slow right now, so let's talk about these things. Would you guys rather have, assuming you cannot sell either of these items, so don't say you're going to sell it and take the cash, you have to keep this vehicle for the remainder of your life. Would you rather have a Lamborghini Aventador or an M1 Abrams main battle tank?
Battle tank sounds pretty tough.
Battle tank sounds pretty tough. Just mow everyone over.
I think I'm taking the tank. Yeah. I think I'm taking the tank. I'm curious what the audience says with that one.
I got into a big debate over the weekend about this one.
Bro, in the tank you can do anything. Like the Lambo's a Lambo, of course, but like
Everyone has a Lambo. Who has a tank?
I guess
not
the
everybody,
problem is
but-
like, where the fuck are you gonna drive it? You better buy some land. Like,
You know how people keep like a fountain in their front yard?
yeah, this is just gonna be Sniper's fountain. It's a tank,
A big tank, man.
and instead of water, it's just
Oil.
it's just rounds of it's just ammunition just laid across the tank, looking like water instead.
I think in terms of security, I think that's one of the best deterrents you could ever have. You know, like if someone was looking to hit a house, I think they're gonna think twice about the house with the tank parked in front of it.
Oh yeah, I agree. Be sick if you could just drive that down the road.
I feel like there's some way you can. I mean, I don't know. I feel like the tank takes something.
Yeah, you're probably gonna drive it in a private area, unfortunately.
I'm sure you can figure all of that out. Speaking of tank, UPS is not looking too good right now. UPS is down 4.5%. Broke $100 today. A couple names that are green still. AMD. AMD is currently up 0.97%, fighting for 1% up on the day. Marathon is up 3.5% today. Marathon's got some good stuff going on there. Shopify is 0.5% up just there. Marathon or Moderna's break even. Lyft is having a pretty good day, up 2%. Neo is up. Nvidia is up. The semiconductors are definitely green, or at least some of them are looking pretty green. And I'm not even going to read off some of these names. But Rivian's green. That's a nice one to see right now. Rivian's up 1.5% on the day. Intel's green. Pretty good day so far for the semis. There's a few of these smaller cap defense names. I don't know if I should read them off and get into them right now. But there's a couple green spots. You just got to look around.
Oh yeah.
Heating up.
And Rivian has that big news this week and their pricing. They have a lot of things releasing this week.
See what Adobe does on earnings this week too. Oracle. And then earnings is bye-bye. Gonzo.
Siphon mining
April.
word. Jordan, what's your favorite data center
We're at a
stuff?
fear, extreme fear.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it. But I mean, the market doesn't like uncertainty at the end of the day. So
It's just hilarious. It's like what happens when we actually correct 10-20%? These people are, dude, they're ruined. If you think this is extreme fear, you're ruined if that happens.
yeah.
It's just wild to me. I know that doesn't obviously to like the fear and greed index, of course, like accounting for actual positions, so it is a little different. But just the fact that the sentiment's that fearful right now it's crazy. I know there's a lot of uncertainty.
Yeah. Moving averages, I have an NQ. This pink one is the 9 EMA. This green one is the 21 EMA. The orange is the 50 SMA. The light blue is the 200 SMA, and this is just VWAP. So 9 EMA, 21 EMA, 50 SMA, 200 SMA, and VWAP.
I mean, I imagine it probably was. I don't quite remember. Maybe somebody else does, but when we hit basically November 21st, that area, I mean, I would imagine, yeah, it's probably an extreme fear down there. Everybody and their mother sees the break below the previous low of October and it's like, oh my gosh, it's going to fall apart from here. They sweep that low and just rip it.
170 calls for Friday are coming in.
Weird that we have very bad circumstances globally, but SPY is higher than the November drop. I mean, that's the market for you. Market goes up. Always like that. Even if we had something potentially like, there's people that even argue like what we're going through is like worse than some of the huge catastrophic events we've had in the past, and still always higher than all those previous years that we've had those catastrophes. So it's just because the market continuously over time accepts higher prices. Investors across the board accept that they're just willing to pay more for it.
Okay, let's go.
And again, this is where it's back to the conversation of letting the chart tell you the story. It's a reason I don't look at any of the news. All I care about is the data that's coming out, and I don't even look at the number. It's just the time. And it's because all that shit is noise. That is going to change your decisions on how you trade the market. let me ask you this: when you go back test strategy, are you sitting there saying, "Oh, this data's coming out. I got to do this, and this is happening, so I have to do this," and oh my gosh, war broke out, so I have to do this? No, you're not. You're sitting there back testing the strategy that you know over and over, regardless of whether Trump's speaking, regardless of war, regardless of a data point. That's how you have to operate. I mean, that's why I continue to do so every day.
There's previous day low retest on QQQ.
Ew. A Friday low.
That was kind of a full target, just intraday real quick on Qs. If anyone's still in the MNQ long, hitting that spot right there, that's 250 points from closing it at 200, but that was kind of a big spot. I'm still looking for a little bit higher up on SPY, getting closer to that 670 psych level.
Next rage bait idea, like your own text during an argument. He's a man.
I'll take another one off here on these SPY calls.
Nice. $40 points from gap fill. Can they do it? Watch out for a little bit of a slap when you do hit that 660.75. Could of course try and get over, but I would just in my opinion, not much reason for the market to just continue to fly higher past that. So I'd look for a little bit of a slowdown into that level.
Hi guys, I'm gonna head to the gym here. It's nice out, 70 degrees. Gonna go out. I'm gonna be in chat. I didn't take any trades this morning. Kind of frustrated myself. I did not take a spread at the open. As you guys know, did this on Friday too. Didn't take a spread at the open. Down 1% plus 2 days in a row. And look at how easy it was. Just stupid. Yeah, stupid. So not that happy with myself. Going to the gym. I'm waiting for a spread entry, and we'll go from there. I'll be in chat. I'll catch you guys later.